Good morning, children. Today we will start our new work in a plain drawing book. For today's work, you have to take a plain drawing book. With that, you have to take a scale, black sketch pen, eraser, pencil, and a colored pencils. You have to take colored pencils. You have to take all these things and open a new page, draw a border, and do black outline for the border and keep ready for today's work, children. After the border, first you have to write down today's date here. Then you have to write down here colors. Topic, colors. Children, here all these days you learn the primary color, secondary color, warm color and cool colors. Okay, that one we are showing in a wheel. To do that, what you have to do, in the center of the sheet, you have to draw 3 centimeter circle. One side it will come 3 centimeter. See children, here I will show. See here, this full circle, it will be a 6 centimeter circle. That means in the middle part 3 centimeter. If you are doing with the compass means you have to take a 3 centimeter in one side. All of you know how to use the compass, no? You have to take a 3 centimeter and you have to draw a circle. Okay children. Now what I will do, I will do a circle here. Okay, after the circle, what you have to do? Near the circle, you have to do a small circles like this. 6 circles you have to do like this first. Okay, how many centimeters? See children here. I did a 3.5 centimeter. If you are not ready to do with the compass means what you have to do? You can use like this one bottle or a coin, any one circle. A round shape thing you have to use and you have to draw a circle. Okay, in the first, how many circles you have to do? After a big circle you have to draw like this 6 circles. Okay children, like this 6 circles you have to draw. Then whatever the middle point will be there now, from that point you have to draw a arrow mark like this with the how many centimeters? This is a 14 centimeter. Totally 14 centimeter circles means the middle point it will be a 7 centimeter. Like that you have to draw a arrows like this one and like this another one and like this another one. All the lines it will be a 14 centimeter. These lines will be 14 centimeter. This circle will be 3 centimeter. Okay children. Then here already we did the 6 circles no. Then whatever the arrow marks will be there no, from there we have to draw another 6 circles. Totally 12 circles you have to do children. Okay, now just you have to observe that. Now I will do with the black color sketch pen, but you have to do with the pencil first, then you can do with the black color sketch pen. Okay children. After the big circle, I will start to do the small circle. See children, I am using here bottle. It is a round shape bottle. If you want, you can use like this bottle. Either you can use a coin. See children, first I did a big circle. Then I did 6 circles. Now remaining extra 6 circles I will do. After that, see children, whatever I did the line now, I will draw this one here. Up to where I will do black outline, just you have to observe that and you have to do from there to there. Then for the primary color, see children, I will do the triangle here. These 3 circles we will do the primary colors. Now, which are the primary color? All of you know that. Yes, no children. Now I will do that primary colors. Before start the work, what you have to do, you have to rub all the extra pencil lines. All of you know that, that's why I won't say it before. But sometime I forgot, no, like that if you also forgot means, that's why I'm telling that you have to rub the pencil lines. After once the black outline over, you have to rub all the pencil lines. Then you should start to do the color. See children, here I have a 3 primary colors, red, yellow and blue. First this circle you have to do with the red. Press the pencil and do the color. Don't use the crayon children and don't use the sketch pen. You should use the color pencil only. Like this, you should press the color pencil, red color, and you have to do color. Full circle you have to do with the red color. I will show only little, but while you are doing now, you have to do for full. Okay children, this full circle, here also you should do. Okay children, this full circle you have to do with the red. After once you finish the red, you should go take a yellow color and do the second one with the yellow here. Whatever the triangle we did now, you have to see that properly. In the triangle, whatever the circles will come now, that one you have to do with the primary color. Okay, this one with the yellow. Full circle you have to do with the yellow children. Next, this is the third one with the blue color. Okay, blue color pencil you have to take. Why I am showing in the color pencil means, when we are doing adding two colors now, that time how it will looks, I want to show that. For that reason I am telling to take a color pencil. Once you finish the color pencil now, in the next class we will do with the paint. Okay children. Now after this over, what we have to do, we have to move to the secondary color. Okay children. See children, the first secondary color it will be, when we mix red and yellow, which color we will get? We will get a orange color. That one we will do in this circle. Okay, when we mix red and yellow, that time we will get a orange color. That one you have to do in the middle of the circle, whatever circle will be there now, after red and in the yellow, between whatever the circle will be there, that one you have to do with the orange. This is the secondary color. Okay children, after once you complete the orange color for full circle, now what we have to do, we have to mix a yellow and blue color. That time which color we will get? We will get a green color. That you have to do here. The middle, whatever the circle comes now, in the middle of the yellow and blue, that one you have to do with the green color. Press and do it, dark children. Neatly you have to do it. Don't leave white patches in the middle. Okay. I will do little children, but while when you are doing no, that time you have to complete the color full for the circle. Okay. Next, when we mix blue and red, that time we will get a purple color. Okay. That one you have to do the middle of the circle. Whatever the circle comes now, in the center of the blue and the red, that circle you have to do with the purple. Now all of you learn the primary and the secondary color. Now we will move to the warm color. Okay, which is the warm color? Now I will take, just you have to observe the children. When we will mix red and orange, that time we are getting a red-orange color. Okay, when we mix red-orange, that time we will get a red-orange color. That one we have to do here. We are doing both the color. You have to do the red color first here. After red, once you complete the red color for full circle, on the red, what you have to do? You have to do the orange color like this, children. Observe properly. It is very important. Like this, you should do neatly. Then you will get a red and orange color, red orange. That one we'll call as a red orange. Okay. After once you finish that one with the red and yellow, this one will be red plus orange. Both the color you have to do. Okay, children. Now, the second warm color. The second warm color will be orange and yellow. Now we have to do orange and yellow. To do that, what you have to do? You have to do the yellow color first here. You should do the yellow color here first here. Upon that, once again, how you did orange color on the red, no? Same like that, you should do the orange color on the yellow. While doing color, be careful to do the shading. While doing shading, no, you have to do the small shading work and complete it neatly, children. Okay, like this, yellow and orange you will get. This one also we will call as a warm color. Okay, children. Now, the third warm color, I will tell you that is a red and violet. When we mix the red and violet, no, that time we are getting a one color, the red violet. That one we will call as a another one warm color. Okay, see children, first I will do the red color here. Where I am doing, just observe here, red and violet will be there, no. In the center of the circle will be there. That one I am doing red. On the purple color I will do this three will be the warm color. Neatly you should cover it neatly. Okay children, now you know this red plus purple. This one orange plus yellow. These three we will call as a warm color. Okay, if you have any doubt means you can write down here one thing, warm colors. That is a red orange, orange yellow, red purple. These three we will call as a warm colors. Okay children, now we'll move to the cool colors. Cool colors. Now, which are the cool colors? See children, here yellow and green will be there. Yellow and green. That yellow green we will call as a first cool color. To do that, what you have to do? You have to do the yellow color first. After the yellow, on the yellow you have to do the green color. Okay, this is the first cool color, which is this yellow plus green. Next, now the second cool color that will be comes from blue and a green color. To get a second cool color, what you have to do? You have to do the green color first. After doing green color, you have to take a blue color. Then you have to do on the green color, you have to do the blue color. This is the second cool color. Blue plus green. Now the third cool color will be the purple and the blue color. To get that, what you have to do? You have to do the blue color first. On the blue color, you should do the purple color. Okay, children, like this you should do. Here, blue plus purple. These three color will be the cool color. Blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, green, and a yellow, green. Okay, children. These are the primary color, secondary color, warm colors, and cool colors. Okay. When you are doing the coloring work, you have to color the full circle neatly. Don't leave white patches. Okay. How I am showing now, same like that you have to do the work, children. Okay. Then only your work will looks nice. Okay. And one more thing, when you are doing the work, if you have any doubt, you can call me at any time and clarify your doubt. And this is the second work in the plain drawing book. And you have to write down the index. Okay, children, you know how to write the index. That's why I did not taught you. But you have to write down the index in the page here. After the name work, whatever the page will get here. In this place, you have to write down the index. Okay, children, date and the topic you have to write. Okay, thank you.